Hello everyone, I hope you are all well. Today, we'll be reviewing the best AI-powered coloring book generator that turns photos into coloring pages in seconds. This is the website's interface. It's easy to use and straightforward, and is designed specifically for children, as well as for those who want to run their own coloring book business. Here, you can turn any photo into a coloring page. It could be a happy moment you'd like your child to remember, turning that moment into a coloring page they'll enjoy, or a picture of your pet, a family photo, or anything else you love. I'd like to point out that the site firmly protects its users' privacy. Any image you upload, or the results you obtain, remain private unless you share them with your audience. Here, you can convert any written description into a coloring page, and the results are clearly impressive. Now, the most important feature of the site is the ability to create up to 20 coloring pages with a single click. This allows you to turn your character and story into a coloring book. There are also some other features, such as free printable coloring pages, support for downloading in PDF and PNG formats, and the ability to enjoy coloring online. Now, let's test out the site's capabilities, each tool individually. First, we'll try out the image to coloring pages converter. Here are some examples of images, such as animals, cities, posters, celebrity photos, anime characters, and even logos. I'll try out some images. If the image contains people, click Keep Faces Unchanged. If the image doesn't contain people, it's fine to leave it as is. Removing the background is up to you. In my case, I'm removing the background. There are some additional options. You can choose the number of results, so you can choose the one you're happy with. Each image takes 2 credits from your account. Okay, now I'll click the Generate button, and in a few seconds, the final result will appear. The result looks great. You can download it in PNG and PDF formats, ready to print directly. Here are some other results I got. You can try out the online coloring platform, which kids will absolutely love. I'll explain how it works in a special video. Now we'll try the text-to-coloring page conversion tool. Here, I'll write the description. You can use ChatGPT for this. A chubby baby dragon sitting in a teacup, wearing a tiny wizard hat, surrounded by floating sparkles and stars. Select the ages you want to target, and I'll test the same description on different age groups. I'll leave the dimensions at the default. This option is only available to subscribers. We'll take a look at the site's paid plans and how to choose the most suitable one. Now I'll click the Generate button. Converting the text to a coloring page costs only 1 credit. I got a satisfactory result for the description I wrote, and it seems accessible to young children. Here's the result I got for children between the ages of 5 and 10. Here are the other results. Let's take a quick look at the name coloring page generator tool. Here you can type any name you want. I'll type Coloring Book. As for the font style and size, I'll keep them as they are. You can choose which elements you want to appear within the name letters. Here we have a few options, and you can type any element of your preference. It's the same here, but the elements will appear around the name. 1 credit is the cost of generating 1 page. The result, as it appears, is dazzling. Stars in the middle of the letters, and roses around the name. And here are the results for the other font styles. Now let's take a look at the most important tool on the site, creating a complete 20-page coloring book with just the click of a button. Here, you enter basic information. If you have a cartoon character design that aligns with your story, you can include it here. If you don't, you can write a description for it or ask the site to generate one for you. Here, write a short story for your character. Then, select the number of pages. To choose between 10 or 20 pages, you'll need to subscribe to the paid plan or purchase some credits at prices very suitable for your needs. I'll select 10 pages for the story, and for the dimensions, we have 3 options: default, square, and landscape. Then we'll click the Generate button. At this stage, I'm asked to confirm the character and outline. After checking the title and story sequence for each page, we will begin generating the pages. The process of generating the 10 pages took about 2 minutes, and this is the final result. For the title, The Cat's Underwater Adventure, I don't know why the title wasn't written in full, perhaps because the image of the cat took up more space. As for the story, dived into the colorful deep sea and saw an ancient city built of coral and shells. Then, surprisingly discovered a secret. For me, the result was beautiful and good. You can download it in PDF and ZIP format. I'll leave the website link in the description. Don't forget to share your feedback on the results we obtained in the comments.
As for the pricing offered by the site, the small credits pack offers 100 credits for $10. The medium credits pack offers 300 credits for $20, and the large credits pack offers 1,000 credits for $40. These options are available for those who want to do special or limited work, such as turning a family photo album into a coloring book for their children to enjoy, so that those beautiful moments of joy can be imprinted in their minds through coloring. For those who want to work on the site on a full-time basis, there are flexible payment plans. We start with Most Popular. This is a professional payment plan, and if you opt for an annual subscription, you get a 30% discount. At $27.99 per month, this plan is ideal for coloring page enthusiasts, a fun game for kids, an investment in creating and selling coloring pages on Amazon KDP, or providing this service through freelance websites. The advantages offered by this plan: create up to 1,000 coloring pages per month. Protect your privacy. Generated coloring pages are only visible to you. 24/7 email support. Commercial use. Supports high print quality. Supports watermark removal. Premium brushes and palettes for online coloring. Up to 20-page coloring book generator. Upscale for photo to coloring page. Early access to new features. Batch mode. You can also check out the other options to suit your needs. Whether you want to start experimenting with the site or make it a hobby, it's up to you. The business plan is designed for larger projects. If you can expand your business and are in high demand, this plan is ideal for meeting your audience's needs. So far, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. The website link can be found in the description. I wish you all the best. See you soon!